Are you in the US without a social security number but still want to apply for an American Express credit card? Don't worry, there is a way. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can apply for an Amex card without SSN. Let's get started. Most credit card issuers requires an SSN because it's a security way to verify identity and check credit history. Bank use your SSN to pull reports from credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But here's the good news. An SSN is not the only way to establish credit. Can you build credit without an SSN? Yes, credit bureau can track your credit history using other identifiers like your full name, birth date, and address. If you don't have an SSN, you can use an ITIN, an individual taxpayer identification number, to access your credit report. To get an ITIN, you'll need to file IRS from W7. Can you apply for a credit card without an SSN? Absolutely yes. Some credit card issuers, including American Express, accept ITINs instead of SSNs. This is great news for international students, new US residents, and non-citizens looking to build credit. The application process is simple and similar to applying with SSN. Click to the American Express website and find your card you want. Click Apply Now and fill your details, name, address, and income, and more. When asked for an SSN, enter your ITIN instead. Submit your application and wait for approval. And if you're unsure whether Amex accepts the application without an SSN, call their support team to confirm. Keep in mind, even with an ITIN, approval is not guaranteed. You still need to meet Amex creditworthiness criteria. If you're new to the US and have no credit history, you might be considered credit invisible. But there's a solution. Some banks allow you to transfer your foreign credit history to the US using third-party services. This can improve your chances of getting approved. So yes, you can apply for an American Express credit card without an SSN. Just use an ITIN, meet the eligibility requirements, and start building your US credit history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and finance tips. See you in the next one.